All right, so right now I'm in the utility room that I sheathed with 1/2 inch CDX plywood. Here's where the water comes into the house right here. My plan is to have the water heater here, have everything surface mounted, so everything's gonna be easily accessible, easy to maintain. If there's any other issues, I can see it. I don't have to dig into anything, at least in this immediate area. Right on this side, I have the electrical panel. I have one outlet right now for power in here until we can get the rest of it all wired in. We'll do that once all the plumbing is done. We have some of the drains already glued in. This is not glued in or anything. This is just sitting here for measurements purposes. Yeah, today I'm gonna be drilling holes for PEX, and then I'll be running PEX hopefully today, and I'll get that all wrapped up hopefully the next couple days. Lucky there actually. So this is gonna elbow down here, and it's gonna catch over here and then come over here for the sink between the drain, and it's gonna run through here, run through this header over here, and it's gonna go into this stud right here, which is the bathroom wall. So the fittings are all gonna fit really nice right on that end and the other end, so that's pretty good. And then it's gonna continue on this direction. Lucky this time around on this stretch here where they intersect there. So it's 3/4 there. It's going to tee off from that 3/4 to 1/2 inch. One of those is going to drop down the water, the cold, down to the toilet. It's right there. And these two are going to come over here, go into there for the shower. They're going to end up, once I get the valves and everything, it's going to come down. I'm going to have to frame out a little section here for the tub once that's connected. And that's going fine. this those 3/4 T's. The wire's gonna come on this wall. It's gonna reduce down to a 1/2 inch. It's gonna come over and grab the washer and dryer here. I had to switch these around because the hot's gotta be on the left. So once you crimp this, and it's crimped as far as it'll go, it'll actually release. Because once you get it started, it won't come apart. But once you get a full crimp, it lets go. You want this to be about 1/8 to a 1/4 inch space right there. Part of the issue I have here, I'd like to do it a little straighter, but that 2-inch vent does not leave a lot of space for plumbing to get by. That's why I had it kind of the 3/4 stop there, reduce it to a 1/2 inch and come right down into here. I'm gonna fit these pipes coming out the other side. That's gonna feed the vanity and the bathroom. Let's get to work on that.